How's it going, everybody? I'm Jason with the Review Suite. So today's video is not very special. I'm just gonna unbox some random stuff, starting with my new knife. This is the Gerber EAB pocket knife. I've had one of these before and I lost it, so I needed to replace it. Actually, hold on. There we go. I like this little guy. I'm gonna order another one of these because if you only got one, you got none. All right. This is the ELEGOO Arduino Uno starter kit. Now you guys know I'm into single board computers and that sort of thing, so I'm ready to start dabbling in Arduinos and small motors and servo motors and that sort of thing. So needed something to get started with, something low cost. And this kit is pretty packed. It is sort of similar to the Arduino starter kit, but a lot cheaper, obviously. So let's get inside. All right. Super Starter Kit. Uno R3 project. Nice plastic box. Snaps. Latch feels pretty good. Let's see, what is this? Thank you. Thank you, ELEGOO. So unlike the Arduino kit, it does not come with a booklet, but it does come with a CD with all the starter kit information, all the lessons and that sort of thing. But you want to get the most up-to-date version, so you want to go to the website to download that. It's a nice diagram on the inside of all of the components. Let's see what we got here. Jumper wire. One USB cable for the Uno. Fan blade. Ooh. This is a 16x2 LCD module. There's a motor, remote control, potentiometer. I think it feels pretty good. I wonder if it feels as good as the new PS5 controllers. Yeah. All right, so here is the ELEGOO Uno. Nice anti-static bag. Ooh, did not realize these Arduinos are so small. What else we got in here? Ultrasonic sensor, 9-volt battery, cool. Power supply module, another motor. Prototype expansion module. Come here, damn it. Oh, I see what's going on. The pins are poking the plastic. So there it is. All the contact points. Some nice clicky buttons. Can y'all hear this? LEDs. I'm not going to open these right now because I don't want to drop these anywhere. Stepper motor driver. I'm going to keep that in the package too. Servo motor. Resistors. Breadboard. Why do they call them breadboard? Y'all let me know down in the comments. Female to male wires. And a bunch of other small assortment of things. Here's the temperature and humidity module. This one looks like, yeah, this is the IR receiver for the remote. 5-volt relay, thumb cap for the potentiometer cell, 9-volt power adapter to power your Arduino. All right, so the next item is still relatively new, but I did manage to get one. This is, of course, the Raspberry Pi Pico. I actually ordered 2 of these from Adafruit, and I lost one of them, and I was really bummed about that. I think I may have actually accidentally thrown it in the trash. I know that sucks, but I mean, I'm not crying over it. It's a $4 board, and you know, when they become available again, I'll probably buy like a handful of them and just have them ready to be used whenever. So I also printed a nice little case for it. This case, I'll leave a link in the description box. It's one from Adafruit. It's part of a set, but I was just like, I just want something to keep it protected until I'm ready to use it. So there it is. All right, finally, this is the Anbes Soldering Iron. This is Amazon's #1 best-selling soldering iron on their site, and for 20 bucks, I thought I'd give it a try. If it happens to be trash, again, it's only 20 bucks. I'm not gonna be sad or upset about it. Let's get into this and see what the package looks like on the inside. All right. User manual. Always read the warnings. Yeah. Safety first, children. All right. Protective foam. Your holder for your iron there. Some solder. Here's the actual pin there. Huh. The body... this is my first iron, so I really don't have anything to compare it to, but we'll see how it does. Starter wire. Some tips. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at how thin this sponge is, dog. Oh my goodness. Like, I think I will be using one of the sponges from my kitchen versus this one. I'm pretty sure you don't need a huge sponge, but yo, this is like potato chip thin. Wire cutter. And, oh, tweezers. That's good. Ain't nothing wrong with having an extra pair of tweezers around. And what the hell is this? What is this item? Let me see what this is. Oh. What is this? Oh. Desoldering pump. Okay. See, I'm a noob. I admit it. I'm a noob. I'm going to leave it there, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I didn't want to take this video too seriously. I buy tech stuff from time to time, and I don't always share it with you guys, but I just thought it would be fun to just give you guys a peek at what I'm working on or what I'm doing. The review suite is mostly my interest, but also about sharing information with you guys, and hopefully someone can make use of it. So again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.